Hello guys, welcome back to the Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss our next question, that is pairs with equal sum. So in this question, we have given an array of distinct integers and we need to find if there is two pairs A and B and so A comma B and C comma D present in the given array which satisfy the condition A plus B equals to C plus D. So this type of array that we have given, and all the elements that are present in the array are distinct integers. Okay, distinct element, and we need to satisfy the condition A plus B to be equals to C plus D. What is A plus B and C plus D? So the pair contains distinct number of integers. This pair is also contain distinct number of integers. For example, A is 2, A is 2, B is 6, C is 3 and D is 5. So 2 plus 6 equals to 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is also 8. We need to tell, can we make a pair with equal sum? Can we make a pair with equal sum and the pair contains distinct number of integers? So for solving this question, we are going to use a set here. So if so now, yeah, how many number of pairs? Firstly, how many number of pairs can we make from the n length? So we can make nc2 number of pairs in if we have n length. So n is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7 c2 is 7 into 6 divided by 2, that is 21. So we can make a 21 number of pairs here. We have no option to optimize the solution here. Worst case, in the worst case scenario, we need to make a 21 number of pairs. So we are going to use here uh, nested loop, and the time complexity for solving this question is O of n square. So we are going to use a set here. Okay, the set contains sum of two pairs. Sum of two numbers. That means the first for loop is starting from this and another from starting from this. Okay, this is I loop and this is for the j. Why we are not going to start with this? Because we want the distinct integers in that one pair. Okay, and we are going to use a set here. That set contains sum of two numbers. Okay, so we are going to start from this point. 2 plus 9, 11 with 2 comma 9. Okay, this is for our observation. This is this element we can't store into set because set only contains one. So we are going to store the sum into our set, and this is for only our observation. Now we are going to increase our j. So j is at there here. 2 plus 3, 5 with 2 comma 3. I 2 plus 5 with 7. Okay, 2 comma 5. Increasing j. 2 plus 8, 10 with 2 comma 8. Now from this point, 2 plus 6, 8 with 2 comma 6. 2 plus 4, 6 with 2 comma 4. Now I is out of our array. I is here. For now we need to increment our I from 0 to 1 and starting the j from I plus 1 position. Now we are going to use 9 plus 3, 12 with 9 comma 3. Okay, 9 plus 5, 14 with 9 comma 5. 9 plus 8, 17 with 9 comma 8. We are going to again we need to check is that sum is already present or not. So from this point we are going to check 9 plus 6, 15. Is 15 already present? No, it is not present, so push it. 9 comma 6 from this point. Is 9 plus 4, that is 13, is already present? No, it is not, so push this into set. Now increase our I, and j is starting from I plus 1. Now from this point 3 plus 5 is 8, sum is 8, and it is already present with pair 2 comma 6, and this is also same. So the we got the pairs with equal number of sum. We got two pairs with equal number of sum. So we are going to solve this question. So from this we are doing our code. So this is our ID. Let's code it. Let's change this with Java. Okay. Now we are going to use hash set here. Okay. Hash set of integer. Integer. Okay. Let me do a full screen first. Using the font set. Okay. Set is equal to new hash set, and so we are going to use a nested loop over the array for finding the pairs. Int I is from starting from 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. And the second loop, j loop, nested loop, is starting from j is starting from I plus 1, j is less than n, and j should be again plus plus. So first we need to calculate sum. So array of I plus array of j. Okay. After that we are checking is our set dot contains sum, is our set already contains sum or not. If it is contains, then we are going to returning from this point and returning true from this point. If it is not contains, then we are set dot push put sum. Okay, and all the conditions are false, then we are returning false from this point. So let's try to run it. Rejected. Let's variable n. So int n equals to array dot length, and let's try to again set dot put into, okay, set dot add. No, set dot, let's set, yes, set dot add, not the set dot put. Now let's try to submit it. Will it be run for all the test cases or not? So all the test cases are passed. So what we are doing here, so we are initializing the set here as set, and after that we are running over the loop with a nested loop. So I is at 0th point and j is at first point. Now we are calculating its sum. If it is not contains in the set, we are calculating the sum, and if it is not contains, then we are adding. If it is already contains, then we are returning true from this point. If we are traversing over the array, okay, the nested loop are ended, and after, and we are not returning from this, so we are returning false from this point. So this is the code, and this is all the explanation. So I hope you understand the question and the solution of this question. Thank you for watching.